Hello students, I welcome you all in the first class of economics. As you all know, you all have one subject as economics in your course. So you all must know what the economics is and what we will going to study and what we will study in this subject. Okay, this video will be helpful for the beginners of commerce stream. Okay, so let us start. What is economics? Economics is defined as the social science which studies the way a society chooses to use its resources, which have alternative uses to produce goods and services and to distribute them among different groups of people. Okay, this definition is saying economics is defined as a social science. Means economics is a social science. Why it is a social science? Because it is completely related to the peoples living in the society and the factors affecting the peoples living in the society. Okay, so that's why economics is called social science. Economics studies the way a society chooses to use its resources. As you all know, or you must know, that our needs and wants are unlimited, but our resources available to us are limited. Okay, so how the individual make uh, best choice among the limited resources to satisfy his needs and wants to the maximum level is studied in economics. Okay, and it is all about to produce goods and services and to distribute them among different groups of people. Okay, as we have to use the limited resources, but the limited resources we have to use in such a way that they can satisfy the needs and wants of the peoples of the society to the maximum level. Next point is, an 18th century Scottish economist Adam Smith is considered as father of modern economics. The concept of economics was first brought by the Scottish economist Adam Smith, and he is known as the father of modern economics. This is very important point for you. You all must learn that father of modern economics is Scottish economist Adam Smith. He is famous for his book The Wealth of Nation. Okay, further, study of economics can be further classified as study of scarcity, study of people use resources, study of decision making. Study of economics completely revolved around these three types of studies. Among them, the first is a study of scarcity. Scarcity means lackness. Okay, scarcity means, as we all know, that our needs and wants are unlimited, but resources available to us to satisfy those needs and wants are limited. So there will always be a possibility that we will not satisfy all our needs and wants. We have to give up certain wants and needs. Okay, next is a study of people use resources. It studies how the people make the best utilization of the limited resources to satisfy his or her wants and desires. Next is study of decision making. Of what decision making we consider in economics? We will decide what to produce. Means what resources we will need to produce some goods and services, and which quality or which quantity of goods we need to produce. Next is how to produce. How do we produce those resources, those products, and what will be the required layout for that product, what factors will affect our production, and for whom to produce. We are going to produce the goods for which group of the society. Okay, So these all three studies are covered in the study of economics. In other hands, economics is all about making right choices among limited resources which have alternative uses to satisfy maximum wants and desire. It is saying economics is the subject which completely revolves around making the right choices among limited resources which have alternative uses to satisfy maximum wants and desires. Okay, so this is all about the meaning of economics, and keep watching this channel for more videos of economics and for further updates. Okay, thank you, have a good day.